Hello, this post is about running simple regression, and running simple regression in Stata is as simple as click. So before doing that, it's a good idea to look at the data, and this is possible to do in two ways. One is to look at statistical properties. So we go to statistics, summaries, tables and trends, summary and descriptive statistics, and here the first menu is summary statistics. So we can choose just standard display with the minimum amount of statistics about these two variables that I chose here. One is S, years of schooling, the other is earnings. And then press OK, and here is the statistics. We see the number of observations, mean, standard deviation, and so on, the minimum and maximum values. The other statistic that we can look at is correlation. So we go to statistics, summaries, tables and tests, and then in this menu, summary and descriptive statistics, we choose correlations and covariances. Okay, again my choice is the same. It's years of schooling and earnings, and without touching anything else I press OK, and here I see that the correlation between years of schooling and earnings is pretty high. It's 0.4153. So this suggests that the regression line, if we regress earnings on S, the regression line should be positively sloped. And in addition, we can visualize the dependence between earnings and S. We go to graphics, two-way graph. I already showed how to create definitions of graphs. For example, I have two definitions here. The second one is disabled. The first one, I can show you what I have here. Edit, and I have here, I want to see on the vertical axis earnings and on the horizontal axis S. And this is a scatter plot, by the way, because I am graphing one variable against the other. Okay, so this is how it looks like, and we see that indeed the dependence of earnings, which we have here on years of schooling, should be positive. And if you compare, for example, this point, which is for 13 years, with this point, which is for 20 years, we can see that somebody who has studied for 13 years has a higher income than many people who have studied for 20 years. Okay, by the way, you need to look at the description of the data to see the units of measurement. For years of schooling, we have obviously years, and for earnings, these are not thousands of dollars per year. These are hourly earnings, dollars per hour. So we can see that some people have more than $100 per hour. So this is all about visualizing and looking at statistical properties of variables.